Hi everyone, welcome to another little tutorial. This one has come by way of Babak actually. It's an idea to add an automated shipping date to invoices when the customer purchases over $3,000. So this is in our this is our product purchase email template here, and down under the free storage or scheduled import. You can see that somebody spends over $3,000, then we give them 3 months for free. This is something that we don't always translate to people, all that effectively in the showroom, but it is there. Maybe we do more often, and customers forget. But either way, this is more a protection for us. So when we come around to to wanting to ship this item out after the 3 months expiry, then it's clearly marked on the invoice. Okay, so let me show how it works. It's pretty simple. We'll just throw in some dummy details. JBlogs, obviously an address. I'm not going to bother filling in the rest because everybody already knows how to fill in all that. But let's get to the product detail. So let's just say they're buying a stone bath, and it's a A123 thick, so it's over $5,000. Over $3,000, sorry. We all know to dump the rest of the formulas, and we all know, although we don't always do it, we do know that we need to copy and paste out the values. Quantity 1 is fine there. Okay, let me just go back a step before I put that in, and let me just put today's date in here, which is the 2nd of the 9th. Okay, so the 2nd of the 9th is today. Now, if the order value, which currently is nil, is anything below 3,000, then it will just put today's date. And you can change that as you wish, still manually. So if you wanted to change it, if you do change it, it'll remove the formula will go. But of course, if it's 12 months down the track, then you put that in there. Or if it's next week, you put the date in there. If it is, let's trial this. We go quantity 1, okay, and delivery fee, $250. Let's just say it's Sydney, somewhere. So you can see here from the 2nd of the 9th to the 1st of December is 3 months, or roughly, or 90 days to be exact. All right, or if it was, the 1st of March, then it's the 30th of May. Okay, so this is something that you just leave in there, basically. If they spend over $3,000, you guys don't discuss anything else. If you don't discuss it being 12 months down the track or 6 months down the track, or any other agreement that you've entered into, this is the standard agreement. Okay. If it's next week, we do what we always do. So if it's 2nd and 9th, and we know we have stock, customer wants it, you want to override it, you just go, okay, I've made a date for the 12th of the 9th or whatever. You can type right over the top, not a problem. But otherwise, like I said, otherwise, if it's 3 month standard, just leave it in there. And that way, when we come to calling the customer and from the warehouse, and we're talking to them about them taking their goods, they say, well, there's your 3 months expiry. All right. Any questions? Ask me, please.